Hey guys, this is Derek, aka Lynx from AR Airsoft, and we have two packages from evike.com. So I'm just gonna open this one first and let's see what's in it. I believe this one is my NC Star Children's Tactical Vest, and I believe it has a sling, and I believe one might be a BDU, I'm guessing. So yeah, here's my Matrix 1-point tactical bungee sling. Yep. I ordered it in tan, but I got it in Ranger Green. That's fine, but whatever. So here's my vest here. Oh, this way. Nice, has a hydration carrier compatible, shoulder straps and Velcro, some Molly, a little bit of everything. Oh, it comes with a belt, battle belt. That's really good. Papers and everything. I believe this is my BDU. It's an ACU. I'm in the middle of making my ACU loadout, even though everyone's switching to multicam. This is just what I'm doing right now. They don't have a lot of kids. Yep, here it is. They don't have a lot of kids multicam BDUs. So here are the pants. They're proper brand. So those are the pants. It's not too thick, but it's pretty decent thickness and everything. So the order forms and everything. And so that's my Evike unboxing with my BDU, my vest, and my Matrix 1-point tactical bungee sling. Thank you for watching, and this is Lynx.